This is the speed governing control unit. It's an electronically governing machine. Simple unit which controls the speed of the vehicle. There's a device for locking for the speed. Stop करा जरा ना. This is a device where you can lock at certain speeds. The 7 cords, the 7 wires of 7 different colors. The red one is positive. It's on a key positive, continuously on with the ignition system. The black is for the negative system, and the green is for the speed sensor, which comes from the gearbox or from the differential where the speed sensor is situated, and the pulse is taken, and that pulse is taken to this green wire. These four wires are left for the accelerator pedal, electronically accelerator pedal. Now, they are in an accelerator pedal, we have to sense high voltage and a low voltage. And for the high voltage, you take a white wire, you cut down the wire. We'll show you in the video, the next video. We take it for the high voltage is the white wire, and for the low voltage is the brown wire. Okay, now we'll come down to the next video. This is a simple multimeter. The multimeter, you are testing for the low voltage and high voltage of an accelerator pedal. Just go for a DC volt. Simple DC volt. Okay, and the red one is for the, you go for a accelerator pedal sensor. The black, go for a body earthing, just negative. Very simple. नहीं, इसको पकड़ने से उनको दिखाना पड़ेगा ना. एक नेगेटिव will be for the body earthing. Earthing. Positive, you go for a accelerator socket. एक minute. For checking the voltage. बंद कर. Now voltmeter, we are seeing the low power of the volt coming in the system. Ignition on. Ignition on. You go for the ignition on. Voltmeter showing. बराबर है.
अब प्रेस करेंगे पेडल थोड़ा.
Okay, this is showing 0.4. You press the fuel gas pedal. You get a voltage of 1.92. So it says that it's a low voltage pin out. Now the second wire for a high voltage, voltage is 0, showing 7.6. This is a low voltage. The first one was the high voltage. Cut off. You take the voltage from a fuse box.
क्या भी ऑन करूँ? ऑन करो.
On ignition on, the voltage should be around 12.5. It should be a ignition on.
इधर ऑन है.
Ignition on, and the voltage should be around the power should be around, the battery is around 12.15. Now this is positive on ignition on, and when the ignition is off, there will be no voltage. We connect the positive with the ignition system, the positive to the red wire. It's properly connected. Insulation.
टिप दो. टिप एक.
You see that it is insulated properly. The black wire is a negative. The green wire, we take a pulse from the speed sensor, from the gearbox or from the differential. The gearbox pulse is taken from the speedo sensor or VSS, vehicle speed sensor. This is the pulse sensor which are taken from the speed sensor. Now the four wires, the white, the yellow, the blue and the brown. The white, we go for the accelerator pedal for the high voltage. We cut down the wire, the other wire going for the ECM and the accelerator pedal. We join the white wire towards the accelerator pedal. of a high voltage and the brown to the low voltage. Brown to the lower voltage.
टेप मार दो.
The other ends. Now the white wire where you connect it, the other end which cut into half, the other part goes to the blue wire will go to the opposite to the white wire. And similarly, the yellow wire will go towards the to the low input voltage. Connection of the whole wiring system. We connect this socket to the device. Then ignition on. We start the vehicle. We go for a movement, we go for a ride. We are going above 80, so we want to speed lock the vehicle at a speed of 40. So we attach the locking device the red light come in, we shift the gear and we take a speed to be locked. So we are locking at a speed of 40, so we go on continuously to a 40. At a speed of 40, then we press hold the systems and there's a green light coming in. So now we detach the system Now the speed governor is controlled at a speed of 40. Now you accelerate. At a constant speed of the RPM increases but doesn't crosses the speed limit of 60 where it is locked at speed of 60. At a speed of 60 it's locked, there's a light blinking. As soon as you come below 60 it's off. That means the device is locked at a speed of 60.